What is going on? Here we are again. Oh boy, Bidu. What a devastating hit it took the last couple of weeks or a week. I can't even tell you when has it been. Yeah, it. If you watch my previous videos, you'll see that I believe Facebook is one. I'm sorry, Baidu is one of the better stocks to get into as far as value. The amount of money you can make versus the stock. You see, I was making some decent gains in the stock, and then it took an unexpected blast into the downside. It went down overnight, basically, I think 25 points. And then figured that was the biggest plunge that it ever took since it went IPO, is what the headlines were saying. So you figure, well, that's where it's going to sit. I can't pull out now. It's too cheap to get out now. And of course, and lo and behold, the following day it dropped another 10 points. And then it declined a little bit more. And here we are settling around. I haven't looked at it. Today is 5/29/2019, May 29, 2019. And I'm looking at it today, and we are down another $1.58, down to 112.56. So I got into that 160, took a slap across the face with Bidu. So thank you, Bidu, for such a nasty drop. I don't know. I feel completely betrayed on this stock, as I'm sure any of you all that are in the stock feel. Baidu being one of the strongest technology companies in China, it's how can you go wrong with it? I wish I sold out when it went up to its last pop. What did it go up to I want to say 182 back in January. In fact, right there in May, it went up to 184. 184 and April 8th. And I figured, let me get out. Stay in. I had the presumption to get out. Didn't. Anyways, did not foresee it to take this once in a lifetime descent down to the bear side here. Just a nasty, nasty drop. I'm going to hang into it. It's so cheap. If anybody, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not telling you what to do, but man, I'll tell you what, if I wasn't in it now and didn't get hit with it, I would be such a happy buyer right now at 112. In my opinion, you can't lose. But then again, the world can come crashing down, and it will when you don't expect it to happen, unfortunately. So I don't know. I don't know if Baidu is going to play fair and get back with the program. I'm going to hang into it. I'm not going anywhere. It's got a high side of almost $300, 279. So it's got a lot of potential. It's in the, I'm sure you all know, it's in the IT or artificial intelligence sector. They had a deal with GM Motors here in the U.S. So I believe that at some point they're just going to pop. They could be just shifting. I'm hoping that this whole drop was just to sort of shake off anybody who was trying to hang on before they have a big, big pop. That's what I'm hoping, because it's always, at the end of the day, the market, I feel like, is designed to take the speculators' money. So I feel like they, that's their number one objective. So with that said, I think they're wanting people to just get out of it. So with that said, it's possible that it goes up even higher, and just how I see it. So we'll see. Time will take its course. I'm not going anywhere. Like I said, I bought in about 160 when the ticker was at 160. We're at 112 now. Super disappointed in Baidu. Super disappointed in the whole play out of the market. But that is the market. What are you going to do? Don't put all your money into it. Put what you could afford to sit on. I don't think you lose until you pull your money out. So that's it. Small update. Very disappointing. But a huge upside, I think, for anybody who is in it now. I think stay in it, man. My personal opinion. That's all is an opinion. Stay in it. It's got to go back up. I mean, where's it going to go? It's $1 billion company, $102 billion revenue. Don't be afraid of it. Hang in there, and we'll come back, see where it goes from here. So good luck trading. Hope you guys are killing it. Hope you didn't get affected by this downturn in Bidu. And instead, you made some profitable gains. So share them in the comments if you got some good stock picks. Let me know. I certainly could use some insight on some good stocks. But I'll anything comes along, I'll fill you in. So till next time, good luck.